All right, so for unit 3, we're going to start with what's called one-step equations. Now, one-step equations are called one-step because it takes one inverse operation to solve each of these. So right above this video is instructions on how to do inverse operations for every single type. But before we do that, okay, to undo addition, we do subtraction. To undo subtraction, do addition. To undo multiplication, we do division, and the opposite of division is multiplication. We need to know that. So for number 1, we have 2x equals 8, or 2 times x equals 8. To get rid of the multiplication, we divide both sides by 2. Now, it's very, very, very important that we always show our work. So our answer here is x equals 4. I think I said here. Answer here is x equals 4. Let's take a look at number 2. X plus 3 equals 7. Well, the operation that's being done to x is adding 3. So the opposite of adding 3 would be to subtract it. So here we will get x equals 4. Again, completely coincidence that 2 problems in a row were 4. All right, number 3, x minus 4 equals 10. So we're taking 4 away from x to get 10, which means to undo it, we have to add 4 to both sides. So now x will equal 14. Okay, so for number 4, I'm just going to rewrite it down below so I have a little bit more room. How do you get rid of a fraction? Okay, it's 2/3 times x. So to get rid of it, you multiply by its reciprocal, which is basically taking the fraction and turning it upside down. And you make sure you do that on each side. So these cancel each other, leaving you with x equals, well, let's see, 12 times 3 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, what do we do in a question like number 5 where we have a denominator? Notice for this one that in this situation, the denominator is the same. When that happens, you can just ignore the denominator and focus on the top. So in this case, there's nothing to do. It's just a equals 15. And for the last one, to get rid of dividing by 7, you multiply both sides by 7. So you will get y is equal to 140.